My good guy. Go fish guy.
Hello, my happy people. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, now I said let's start from the beginning to show how this beautiful hairstyle came about. Okay, now you can see the pattern, how I parted the hair. This is still a natural hair, virgin hair. Okay, I only tinted the mouth for the hair to look more lovely. That's how my customer loves it, and you can see how beautiful it is. So now we've started the braiding step by step. We are now in the step three, and you can see how beautiful and neat the hair is looking. Okay, so just keep on watching. You will see the step as it goes. You will see how beautiful it is. So we are now almost done with the first line of the packing. Okay. So and you see how I parted the hair two ways. This downside is already done. We're done plating this side. Okay. So, and you can see from the down to the up to the end is beautiful, very clean. Like this hair is wow. When I was braiding this hair, everybody was like, "Jeez, this is beautiful. Is this her natural hair? This one, see comments everywhere. No one that passes by that do not stop. Everyone that passed will stop like, babe, this hair is fine. Oh, mama, your hair is very nice. You have very good texture hair, this, that. So I was like, that's good, that's good. So as you can see, we are done with the back side. We are now in the front part, yes. Almost rounding up the hair. You can see my customer, how relaxed she is. Trust me, when I braid your hair, you wouldn't even feel an inch of it. Seriously. I don't know why most of my customers, when I'm braiding their hair, most of them doze off. Like doze off. If you can go watch my previous video, you will see that it's not just like I'm not just bragging over it. That's how it is. I braid your hair naturally. It does not no pain. You don't even feel the stress and all that. You even sleep off. That cooling hand is touching your hair. Miraculous hand. All right, guys. We are still on the hair braiding, almost there. Please, as we are still watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and share this page to your friends and well wishers. And your comments also is important, okay? So I can know where to come in or where I need to make some adjustments and all that. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Sweet and beautiful you are. Sweet and beautiful you are, more than the angels, more than the heaven. Sweet and beautiful you are, you are lovely, beautiful. Tenderness, tender hand, Serafina, beautiful, you are, you are beautiful. So we are almost at the last phase of the back side braiding. So once you're done with this remaining one now, this one is going backward. Then we'll come to the front. You can see these two that is packed in the front. We'll stand in the front to plate them so it will come forward as towards the face, okay? And actually when I was doing the video, I discovered that I was actually obstructing the video. I was covering the camera, but those some of them were captured actually. Yes, we are the last one now, the last braid now for the back. You can see how it goes. Yes. This flippy braid. It's called flippy twist. When you are twisting this hair, you do it loose. You lose your hands when twisting. It's not the one that you have to twist it tight. Make it loose. So at the end of the braiding, it will be bouncing. Yes. So people would think like, yeah, it's kinky or something because of the way you braid it. But when you tight your hands and braid it, it will not come out what's exact what we really want. Okay. So at this point, I and my customer, she was like, are you sure this hair is not going to be much that will come to the front? No, that it's not going to. I said, no, 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 it's not. That's actually the style that you choose. Yes. This quantity is okay to come to the front. So she was like, okay, you know it's the best. I said, yeah, and I will always give you the best. And as you can see, she trusts on me. She relied on what I am capable of. And yes, she's enjoying it. So I use edge control also for the hair. Yeah, the edge control helps the hair to relax. And the pattern very neat. Yes, that's what it does. So at a point, you see, you can see from the video to comb the hair, like she's feeling some slight pain. So at this point, I have to get some liquid and touch on the hair so the hair will become more softer. Yes, though it didn't show here, but at the point, I think see enjoyment, how relaxed she is. Okay, we are now in the front braiding right now, and soon we'll be over with it. Yes, second line. Okay. You see the outcome of it. So wow. Yeah, this is where I added water to the hair because it's become stronger, as a virgin hair, like I said earlier. So I added some little water to it to soften the hair and also to be easy for her to my customer and also on my own side as well. Okay. As you can see, we are almost done with the ta-da! Oh my god, that is why see comments that day. You need to see how everybody was like, wow, this is good. Is this your natural hair? Did you add extension? Is this kinky? Is this that? Is this I said no. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and share to friends. I love you. Thank you. Bye.